how much should you actually spend on running shoes? It's a bit interesting because you see some priced low and some priced high, but how do you know which ones are really worth it? Let's break it down.
Product number 1, Men's Gel Contend 9. The Men's Gel Contend 9 running shoes. Priced at $64.95, this model immediately caught my eye with its sleek carrier gray Anzu color scheme. If you're looking for budget-friendly comfort without sacrificing quality, this is worth a serious look. So what makes the Gel Contend 9 stand out? It features rear foot gel technology, which improves impact absorption and gives you a softer feel when your foot hits the ground. This is crucial if you're logging miles and want to avoid that harsh pounding on your joints. Plus, the jacquard mesh upper enhances airflow, keeping your feet cool during those long runs. The Ortholite sock glider provides excellent step and comfort, making it feel like you're walking on clouds. And the flex grooves in the outsole improve flexibility, which is especially helpful for those varied terrains. Now, here's the thing. Some users mention that this style runs small. You might want to consider sizing up by half a size, but honestly, for a shoe this affordable, that's a minor inconvenience compared to the comfort and support it delivers. This is perfect for you if you're a casual runner looking for a reliable, affordable shoe. Skip this one if you need something specifically designed for long-distance training, but at this price, it's a solid value. Now, if the sizing issue concerns you, the next pair might solve that completely.
Product number 2, Men's Gel Venture 11. We have the Men's Gel Venture 11 trail running shoes, coming in at $69.95. The black carrier gray color gives it a sleek look that's perfect for both the trails and casual outings. If you're tackling rougher terrains, this is definitely worth considering. The Gel Venture 11 features a mesh upper that helps with breathability, so you won't feel stifled on those hot days. The rear foot gel technology is here too, providing shock absorption that's essential for off-road running. What's really impressive is the Amplifoam Plus cushioning, which is softer than standard options, making every step feel more comfortable. Plus, the Ortholite Hybrid Max Light sock liner enhances moisture management, so you can stay dry even on long runs. The molded rubber outsole gives you traction and durability when you're navigating tricky paths. However, some reviews pointed out that the shoes might feel a bit bulky for those who prefer a lighter shoe. But here's the thing. If you're serious about trail running, that added sturdiness is often necessary to prevent injuries. This is perfect for you if you enjoy trail running and need a shoe that can handle varied terrains. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight for road running, but the price to performance ratio is solid. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for comfort.
Product number 3, Men's Gel Excite 11. The Men's Gel Excite 11 running shoes might just have the edge in comfort. The black meteor gray color is sporty and versatile. If comfort is your top priority, this is definitely worth a look. The Gel Excite 11 incorporates pure gel technology, which is 65% softer than the standard gel, giving you an incredible cushion with each step. It features an engineered mesh upper that reduces the need for overlays, keeping the shoe lightweight. The Amplifoam Plus cushioning enhances your running experience by providing a plush ride, and the reflective details help with visibility if you're running in low light. The Ortholite X30 sock liner manages moisture well, keeping your feet cooler and drier. One downside? A few users mentioned that the shoe lacks enough arch support for those with specific foot needs, but honestly, for most casual runners, the level of comfort and cushioning found here more than makes up for that. This is perfect for you if you prioritize comfort and need a shoe for daily running. Skip this if you have high arches and require specialized support, but overall, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you're looking for something that combines comfort with eco-friendliness, stay tuned for the next one.
Product number 4, Men's Gel Nimbus 27. The Men's Gel Nimbus 27 running shoes at $109.95. This seal gray, lake gray color looks sleek and modern, making it a great choice for both running and daily wear. If you want a shoe that offers premium comfort and sustainability, this is a fantastic option. The Gel Nimbus 27 features an engineered jacquard mesh upper that wraps your foot softly, providing excellent comfort. It's worth noting that at least 75% of the shoe's main upper material is made from recycled content, which is great if you're environmentally conscious. The Pure Gel technology offers lightweight cushioning for softer landings, while the FF Blast Plus Eco Cushioning enhances responsiveness. It's made from approximately 24% bio-based content, giving you a softer landing and a more responsive toe-off. However, some users have noted that the price is a bit steep compared to other options. But here's the thing. The combination of cushioning, support, and eco-friendliness makes it a worthwhile investment for serious runners. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-performance shoe that's also environmentally friendly. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, but if you can swing it, you won't be disappointed. Now, for our last pick, let's switch gears to something slightly more budget-friendly, but still offers great features.
Product number 5, Men's Gel Venture 11 New Color. We have the Men's Gel Venture 11 trail running shoes again, this time in a fresh black/light dust color for $69.95. If you liked the previous model but were looking for a different style, this is a solid pick. Like its sibling, this version also includes the mesh upper for breathability and rear foot gel technology for shock absorption. The Amplifoam Plus cushioning ensures a comfortable ride, while the Ortholite Hybrid Max Light sock liner offers moisture management. This means you get all the same benefits as before, just in a new look. The downside? Some users still find it a bit heavy for their liking. But if you're focused on trail running, that extra weight can actually be a sign of durability. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable trail shoe that combines style with performance. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight for road running, but for the price, you're still getting great performance for your money. We've covered the Men's Gel Contend 9 for budget-friendly comfort, the Gel Venture 11 for rugged trails, the Gel Excite 11 for plush cushioning, the eco-friendly Gel Nimbus 27 for premium performance, and the stylish Gel Venture 11 in a new color. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so it really comes down to what you need in your next running shoe.